As a Google admin, you may need to keep a user's account and data for a certain period of time for compliance reasons. GAT Flow makes this task easier for admins by suspending the account and deleting it automatically after a set period. You may need to run this type of workflow when you have a user who leaves your organization. Begin by going to the Create Workflow area in GAT Flow. Give your workflow a name and a description. Then select Offboarding for its type. Next, make sure to switch the Include Suspended User setting to the On position. Click Next when ready. Now select the users that will be affected by this workflow. Once you have selected the users, click Proceed to Actions. Select the left Add an Action button, and from the list of actions, select Suspend User. If you have other actions you would like to perform, you can also select them on this screen. Some common actions during offboarding are revoking app tokens, wiping the calendar, and migrating emails. After you have finished, click the plus button again and select the Delay action. Now set the length of time for the delay. I'll choose 6 months. When finished, click Send Approval Request. Your request will be sent to your domain's GAT Unlock security officer, who will need to approve it. Once approved, your workflow will run, and as a result, the user will be deleted after 6 months. That covers this how-to. Thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this GAT Labs video, please like and subscribe and ring the bell for regular updates. You can also get a free 15-day trial of GAT Plus by following the link in the description.